So one of the keys to actually getting this ankle to work best with taping it is we want to make sure it's in a neutral position. So we don't want the foot down, we don't want the foot all the way up, we want it to be right about here into the middle. We're going to start with supporting the ankle and the heel so that the calcaneus doesn't go backwards on us. Nice little stripping through here. We want about a 20 to 30% tension at most on this part here and on the next part. So both of these are about the same size. You'll see earlier on I attached out the different sizes that I'm using. We want this one to come up the heel now, up over the actual ankle itself, over the medial and lateral malleolus. This will help kind of give us a little locked and neutral position. The next one we're going to do is actually on the bottom of the foot. So we want to, with these two, we want to minimize the amount of forward and backward movement that we're going to get. So we're going to start with a long one here. We're going to anchor it onto the foot. We're going to create a little bit of tension. So as you can see, we got a little tension here, and then we're going to lay that down nice and smooth. It's going to come up over the actual Achilles tendon and keep the foot in this direction. Next one we're going to do is actually on the top, so it doesn't come down too far. We're going to anchor it right on the top of the foot through here. Again, we're going to pull this out with about 20-30% tension. We're going to lay it down. We're allowed it to come up the shin. And we want a good long pull on through here. Then we're actually going to lock the ankle in with a figure 8. With this one, you want to kind of come around to the top here of the foot, because the next one's going to come down lower. Wrap it over, come across, wrap it over. It's okay if it wraps around to the other side. And the last one is we actually want to do this metatarsal arch that we have. This is going to help keep the foot almost from rebounding too far down. As a general rule, if you have any sprained ankles or severe ankle injury, this is one of the best tapings. It mimics a more traditional lock tape mechanism, but using the Kinesio tape, go ahead and relax here, allows for flexibility and more of a springy quality, so it keeps it in support. All right, that's taping the ankle.